If you want to build a career in engineering, architecture, interior design, or the construction field, learning AutoCAD is a very important skill for you. AutoCAD is one of the most widely used drafting and designing software in today's industry. It is extensively used in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, architecture, interior design, and the construction industry. Because of this, there is a high demand for AutoCAD professionals in these fields. Now you can also learn this powerful software step by step through the AutoCAD course offered by Emax India. In this course, you will learn AutoCAD interface and basic tools, 2D drawing and professional drafting dimension, text and layout settings, practical drawing projects, industry-based designing techniques. After completing this course, students can apply for jobs in various fields such as civil draftsman, mechanical CAD designer, architectural assistant, interior layout designers. AutoCAD is an internationally recognized industry standard software, which means students with this skill can get opportunities to work at both national and international levels. Enroll in the Emax India AutoCAD course today and start your designing career. Visit your nearest Emax India branch and confirm your admission today.